A fragile string separated me from a solitary grave. It seemed so close and almost too shallow. I felt as though I could easily tumble onto the delicate skeleton resting below. My 9-year-old eyes focused on a human ribcage emerging from the earth. A row of brass buttons ran neatly down the sternum, the only evidence of a Revolutionary War uniform. When the soldier was buried, no coffin shielded his body from the cold, dark soil. And 200 years later, no earth protected his bones from the gawking spectators or the glaring sun. My young mind quickly pushed those disturbing revelations aside, capturing instead a snapshot of those brass buttons gently resting on human bone. My professional journey eventually led me away from my hometown and that small outpost on the western frontier. My life is now consumed with the management of a site of a Civil War fort in the Western Theater. The wonderment I experienced as a child, although undiminished, is often overshadowed by feelings of frustration. Why do I constantly have to fight to protect a sacred monument of our shared past from human greed, apathy, and ignorance? In these moments of distress, my perfect memory comforts me and reminds me of why I chose this work. As a historian, I want to pursue every avenue of research in order to learn everything I can about this soldier, his identity, his family, his military record, his death, his burial. I crave tracking down the results of the study that revealed his long-forgotten skeleton. I would love to return to the site and visit the tomb containing his reinterred remains. But I resist my compulsion, my true nature. I prefer to keep this memory wrapped in the glow of the summer sun, untarnished by the complications of even knowing his name.
Ready yourself and read this again with as much emotion and energy as